Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your OnePlus 15 using your device's PIN code. So, if you totally forget your PIN code and you cannot and you have no idea what it is, then the best solution to this issue would be contacting the OnePlus customer support service and telling them about their issue, asking them for their help, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them without if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they'll be able to help you out with this problem and not remove any data from your device, which is why I consider it the best solution to this problem. So if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone using some sort of receipt or e-receipt that you got for your device from the store where you bought it, then surely use this option. But if you cannot use that, you can still regain access to your smartphone by performing a factory reset operation. However, the factory reset operation will erase all data from your device, like files, photos, applications, settings, and everything else. So you're gonna have to set up your device as a new one. But still, if you're interested, there are two ways that you can perform factory reset operation on this phone. The first one is using the recovery mode. If you want to perform this operation to recovery mode, therefore locally on your device, then check out the separate video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation factory reset operation through recovery mode on your OnePlus 15, where we explain everything step by step, so that you can figure it out easily. However, you can also perform factory reset operation remotely, just in case you see this kind of notification when you're trying to turn off your device, which says you can locate this phone with Find My Device even when powered off. In such case, you can use any other device that you have access to open the web browser on it, search for Find Hub, and enter the Find Hub website. It's the Google website, so don't worry about it. On this phone, I have to enter the lock screen password, but on a different device, you would have to provide your Google account data. So the Google account that is linked to this smartphone, just enter the email and the password to your Google account, and then you'll be able to see all the devices that you have linked with this account. Select your OnePlus. And then once you select OnePlus, I'm gonna have to select a different device, tap the gear icon next to this device, and then select factory reset your OnePlus. And once the factory reset operation is performed, so once again you're gonna have to set up your device as a new one, but the access to your smartphone will be regained. Now, the other thing that could have happened to your device is so if you do remember the PIN code to your smartphone, but you cannot access your device using it, then it might be caused by some third-party application or some background activity that is interfering with your lock screen and affecting the way that it behaves. And in such case, you're gonna have to reboot your device into safe mode to get rid of all third-party applications on your smartphone and try once again. Now, to enter the safe mode, you're gonna have to turn your device off by holding down the power button and volume up key at the same time, or basically by selecting, for example, restart option. Then wait for the OnePlus logo to appear on your screen, and then once it appears on your screen, start holding down the volume down key immediately. For some reason it's not appearing. Okay, so once you see the OnePlus logo on your screen, start holding down the volume down key, and just wait for your phone to boot. It will boot into the safe mode, and you will be able to tell by the indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. If the indicator didn't appear, try once again. Eventually you'll figure out how to do that. And once you are in the safe mode, before trying to figure out what kind of application could have caused this kind of behavior, of course, if you can access your device now, before trying to figure out the application, remove your lock screen password by going to settings and navigating to security and privacy section. Here you have to select device unlock, screen lock, enter your password once again, then turn off your password, and then enter your password once again. And now you can safely reboot your device into the normal mode by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time once again, then swiping up for restart. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope that this video helped you in any way, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.